You're getting older, and the truth is, you're not where you thought you would be by now. You've given your best years to a career that's been quietly draining the life out of you. You feel stuck, but here's the thing. It's not too late, and I know that pressure because I was right there with you. I may not be as old as you, but believe me, I felt the pressure to escape too. And in the next few minutes, I'm gonna give you a roadmap you can follow right now to start building your exit, even if you're crazy busy with work and life like I was. Here's the harsh truth. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, and you're still holding out for that breakthrough at work, well, I hate to say it, but it's definitely not coming at this point. That career that once felt like a smart move, it's become a slow, daily sacrifice, one you didn't sign up for. But you already know that, and you're not crazy for wanting out of it. You're just done building somebody else's dream, and you're ready to start building your own dream that you've been dreaming of. And here's the good news. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You don't need to blow up your life. You don't need to risk it all. In fact, you should not quit your job right away at first. You just need a bridge, a side hustle that fits into your world and then gives you a path to walk out. So what does the right side hustle actually look like? Not hype, not hustle porn, just something that actually works for you. Here's the side hustle scorecard. 6 traits your escape plan absolutely must have. So trait number 1, it absolutely needs to have a low time commitment. You've got a job, probably a family maybe, and responsibilities. Your side hustle can't demand 20 extra hours per week. It needs to be something that you can build in just 1 to 2 hours a day. Small, focused effort that compounds over time. So trait number 2, it must have low startup costs. You're not in a place to take wild risks, and you shouldn't have to. You need something that costs less than a vacation, not something that feels like you're gambling on your future. Trait number 3, it needs to be scalable. Trading time for money won't get you out. You'll just be stuck in a new kind of job. You need something that grows even when you're not working, with systems and leverage built into the model. Trait number 4, it must leverage your existing skills you've built with decades of experience at your job. Don't waste that. Your perfect side hustle should already use what you already know, so you're not starting from zero. Trait number 5, you must be able to work on it online or remotely. No inventory in your living room, no late night driving, no physical storefronts. You want something you can build from a laptop, from anywhere, even after the kids go to bed or while you're on your lunch break. So trait number 6, it must have real pre-existing demand already. You don't want to chase fads or rely on hype. The business you build should solve a real problem, one that people already pay to fix. Because let's be honest, the real thing holding you back isn't time, it's perfectionism. You think you need the perfect plan before you move on it. You don't. You just need to start. Imperfect, uncomfortable, and committed. You're not too old, and this isn't a pipe dream, but you do have to move. Start tired, start unsure, just start. Because if you don't, this cycle will repeat for another 5, 10, 15 years. And deep down, you already know that. I was a full-time real estate agent, working nights, weekends, answering clients' phone calls nonstop at any hour. It was money, but it wasn't freedom. I applied this exact scorecard to find a business I could build on the side, alongside my job. It wasn't instant, but after a month, I saw $5,000 cash worth of traction. And within a few months, I walked away from the grind on my own terms. The key? I didn't gamble. I built my way out while still working my day job. And now you're probably looking back at that scorecard and thinking, yeah, that would be a unicorn if I found a business like that. But they don't exist. Well, I felt that way too, until I found the 9x12 method. And if you're wondering what the 9x12 method business model is, it's the one that checked every box on this scorecard. That's exactly what I break down in the next video. So click it now. This is how it starts. You don't need another job. You need a plan, and let's build yours. Click this video.